I'm often asked, how easy is it to integrate the cloud-based contact center solution, the one that I represent, with Salesforce? And when we talk about it, people will use the phrase, perhaps, it just seems like magic. It's too good to be true. Can it really be that straightforward? The answer to that, of course, is, well, let's prove it. So typically what we like to do is run a proof of concept where we actually do the following, which is we do the integration. How do we do it? Well, there is a managed package. And to install this, by the way, that's taken a long time to continuously develop, years and years, in fact, since we first produced that, 2010. So how do you install this managed package and how long does it actually take to do it, really? And here's the deal. You log into Salesforce, we give you a URL, which is the login as an admin to this managed package. So from Salesforce, you then go to the URL, you log in and you click install. And the managed package will go and do its thing, the installation process, grab a coffee and come back. And it's done, 5 minutes. There is then a manual that you have to follow. And that manual is, if you've done it before, and you've done it several times, it'll probably take you about an hour. If you've never done it before, but you're a little au fait with Salesforce admin things, 2 hours typically. So that order of magnitude, and you're configuring which objects do I want this to be in, which fields do I want to log, for example, logging a call. When you log a call as an activity record, you get to select the fields that you want to appear in that log a call area, so you can categorize the call. Now, those will be pick lists in Salesforce. You just decide which ones you want. So the process could take a little longer if you then get to that point you haven't prepared and you go, gee, I actually haven't thought about how I want to classify my calls, and could it be inbound and outbound, or complaint versus inquiry, or billing versus delivery? And then if it's billing, is it a complaint that the wrong bill arrived, or is it the wrong date? So those pick lists in Salesforce need to be there first. All you're going to do when you configure the managed package is pick the ones that you want. Reports and dashboards, well, there's a package for that too. So you install that and it gets you a bunch of dashboards and reports out of the box. All you have to do, and if again you know a little bit about Salesforce admin, the easiest way is to pick one that's quite close to one you want, clone it, save as, and then change it as you like. So we are talking hours to do the work in Salesforce. Obviously, if you're going to build a whole contact center set of processes around things that happen, in other words, people log calls, people make complaints, people do this and do that, and as a consequence you want to initiate this process, provide that feedback, well, that's more work in Salesforce. But the core of deploying and integrating the solution is ours. Thanks for watching.